We are Karl and Katty. Together, we are Nowhere Bound Touring. We've been adventuring for over 3 years now around Australia in our truck and our caravan. Sharing our full-time life on the road, we take you to some interesting and unique locations, along with sharing tips and tricks of how to make caravan life that little bit easier.
Good morning. This morning we're having easy breakfast. Ham, cheese and tomato jaffles on our electric jaffle. Not even doing it the hard way. Just for an easy nice breakfast. We sometimes use our sandwich press here. I love it. Super easy. Doesn't take that much power. We were back up to 100% yesterday, even though we're under trees. So we should all be good. Happy days. And who doesn't like ham, cheese and tomatoes, don't you say? If you don't like them, you're not Aussie, that's for sure. Bread's still a bit frozen. That's fine. It will defrost in the sandwich press. Yum. An inverter works great. Takes 80 amps out of the battery, so we can run this for a few hours, no problems. So the battery will be flat and we don't want to do that. Okay, time to eat. See ya. Round two. Oh. Nice.
When we left the caravan with Bush Tracker, we locked it up and we set our GPS tracking.
So we're just checking. So here we are, truck's on Moreton Island, where we are.
Yeah.
And our caravan is still at Kunda Park in the correct location.
Woohoo!
How's that? And if we go to the caravan, we will see that it's got its geofence on. So if it moves out of that area, it will send SMSs back to us every 30 minutes, because that's what we've got set for, to say that it's out of the geofence area. But we haven't received it because it's not out of the area, which is great.
Yeah.
And it's still there.
It's very good.
Unless somebody's found the GPS tracker, taken it out and put it in a garbage bin.
You're an idiot.
But that's the truth.
Today is day 3 on the northwest camp side.
We're heading off to have a look at the World War II bunker. So there's one on this side of the island as well.
Give it to me.
Wow! Turn around so they can get on the light. Look at this guy.
How cool is that?
That's not a bad one, is it? I don't think.
I hope not. You told me I could pick it up.
No, not a crown of thorns eats the wreath. What's his mouth look like? Oh yeah, got little legs.
That is so cool. I've never seen one that big like just in the wild.
Hanging around.
I did wear my shorts though. Cool.
There you go. Uh-oh.
That's it. Turned himself over.
Eagle-Eye Katty has found another starfish. Poor little fella. I don't know why he's floating around here.
I can find starfish.
Okay, you can. That's 2. No vehicles permitted beyond this point. Safety zone. Got no idea what this is, hey? Had wooden poles. And lots of concrete.
Beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. And we just got told that up here somewhere is a school camp.
Yeah.
What an awesome school camp.
Wow, look at this. Wow. Must be where they store the shells, just the same as the rest of them. Ooh, that's dark. Double skin. And the water's washed that around like a cork.
That's a serious tetanus risk.
The bolt hanging up.
Yeah.
Look at it. This is poured on the sand, and it's been eroded away off the edge of the hill and moved in some storms. You're walking up the end?
Yeah, it looks like there's something else.
Looks like there's some big things up there.
Yeah.
Looks like steel. What's happening with all these guys, hey? Check out this.
If anyone knows what this actually is and what it was used for, please comment below because we have no idea. Like,
that couldn't have been on top of a gun. Because it's got a double slanted roof inside the box. It's like it was on top of a gun, but it couldn't have turned. I don't know. I've got no idea. It's something.
yeah, let us know.
It's designed to be strong from the top.
Serious snagging tree. Look at that. It's not a dragon tree. It's a snagging tree. Karl's making us an interesting lunch today. Sausages and pea and ham soup. That can's probably 100 years old.
It's by 2017.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Wow. And we thought the clothes were clean.
Wow.
What you got there, love?
Kelp on aubergine.
So what are we having for dinner tonight?
We're having schnitzel. I think they're chicken, I'm not sure.
Right.
With fried aubergine, fried pumpkin, fried carrot, and lightly fried green beans.
Ooh, nice.
All fried.
And guacamole
And guacamole, correct.
on the snitty.
Yep.
Excellent.
We've started dinner on the barbie. Just sizzling away slowly. Hopefully I can cook it slow enough not to burn the carrots and the eggplant. And my kitchen is terrible. We're gonna have to move locations. I don't like my kitchen. Gonna love it.
Look at that for a meal. He always makes a feast.
I've had a little mistake. It was a little bit hot and it was veal schnitzel, not chicken schnitzel. So no guacamole.
Good morning. Another day. Another blue water beginning. And of course, Karl's on breakfast.
Bacon and eggs.
Again.
Yeah, well.
Fridge is still good stuff. Where are you going, Karl? This is reality. Hi ho, hi ho. The unspoken truth is we all have to do our business. And when you're at a camp without a toilet, you have to go dig a bloody hole. Karl tends to dig a big hole that we can use the whole time that we're out of place, so that, yeah, you don't have to race and go dig a hole. Yeah. It's a shitty story, eh?
Morning everyone. We're just walking down the freeway for our morning walk.
And so far we've seen a turtle and a bunch of stingrays all together, like swimming along, and we've seen a little fish buster.
All in 1K.
Not excited at all.
And apart from the wind, which is great to keep the midges away, the water looks magnificent.
Karl's going to go for a snorkel this arvo.
Hopefully on low tide. Have a look at this creek. It's got all different colours. It's got blue, clear, brown, orange down the corner, and then when you get over to this side it is super brown. And Catherine's found another starfish.
I was reading up about him, and it says when the wind changes, often they'll get themselves dislodged from their grass, and that's how they end up on the shore. And the best way to help them is, if you see them, throw them back as far as you can towards the weed, and maybe they'll actually be able to lodge themselves again. So I'm going to throw him out.
And over this side, as I was saying, super tea brown, all in one little creek. And then on that side we got super blue water. Wow, it's gone very dark.
It has
Super dark.
and look how blue it is back there.
Wow, look at it. Tonight, if you haven't guessed, we are going to have a curry cooked in the camp oven. So we're going to have a beef curry on rice, and we'll cook it in the fire. So we'll just get onto it now. It's only just gone after lunchtime, so we'll have plenty of time to slowly cook. So it should be super tender. We'll see how it goes. We've got enough wind.
I'm going on an adventure. You know what's under that blanket?
More like, do you know why she's going on an adventure? It's more the fact.
I'd like to get some more vegetables and bread.
Right, some very important vegetables and bread.
I ran out of wine. And the shop's only 4 kilometres.
4 kilometres down the beach.
Yeah. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're excited to get wine.
No, I'm excited about riding the bike on the beach. We haven't done it since we first got it.
Get wine.
Oh, come on. I'm not that bad.
Most important thing when travelling on sand.
Lower the pressures. Look at me, I know the answer.
Let some of that air out.
What would you recommend, Karl?
It's probably about 5. Yum, look at that. Catherine's curry mix. That fire needs a bit of pepping up. It's a little bit cold. Yum! We'll see how that goes. We may add another can of coconut cream.
He's only filming because he wants to laugh.
This is going to be fun. Catherine's test ride.
Scared.
Katty's test ride in the sand #1. Oh, that wasn't exciting.
I think I'll do it down here.
How are you going to get across the beach and up the track? What's it on, 5?
Yes. Right. Now I'm right.
Ideally you want to keep out of the water.
Yeah.
Well, you're in the water.
Getting out of the way in the cars.
And out of the sand with the chain if you can help it.
Okay, wish me luck.
And you can clean it after it this time.
On my voyage, sure, I can use the shower.
Sure, right.
Alright.
You forgot to turn your thing on.
It's on, haha.
Oh, is it?
Catcha. Oh, what do you want?
Yeah.
Woo!
Hilarious.
Oh my gosh. How good is this?
Have a look how fat the tyre is on that bike when you let it down. That's incredible. It's as wide as your foot or more. What we're going to do is set up here and wait for Catherine to come back out on the beach and follow her down. So that is about 2.5 kilometres away with our zoom lens. So it's not too bad, reasonably clear.
That's one of the wrecks. Oh shit. Oh, out of control cyclist. Sorry. Thank you.
You wouldn't believe it. It's actually starting to rain. You can see the visibility's going down. So Katty will be super happy about that, riding in the rain. It is very warm, but when you get to where you're going?
Oh, it's electric.
Electric?
It's a bit of a cheat.
I wonder why you
Yeah. Have a good day.
And there's Katty in the middle of the screen, riding the earth bike along the beach.
So this is what I got at the Castaway, which is the shop that's 4k's up the beach. My wine. That's full.
Really?
Yeah, I just did 8k.
Well, I just said that zoom on the camera was 2.5, but it was 4 then.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Tomatoes,
So you
bread.
come down the beach.
Oh, could you?
Yeah.
Cans and Bundy. That smells amazing.
Does look good, doesn't it?
You would all be salivating if you had smell-o-vision. It's hard. Did you change your settings to 5? Yeah. Oh, you're a show-off. I think that he looks like Magilla Gorilla on that bike. But we won't tell him that. Oh, he's gonna come a gutser. He's gonna come a gutser. Oh! Cool, hey?
I think I need some more air in the back tyre.
Yeah, you think so? Today's our last day here at the Northwest Camp, and tomorrow we're going to go across to Benua, or Iwa, I'm not quite sure how to say it, and hopefully it'll be calm enough that we can snorkel the wreck there and show you some of the wreck. But yeah, today we're just going to cruise. I'll probably do some editing, and I believe Karl may go for a snorkel, and it is calming down, so yeah, hopefully he does after he does the bike riding. I had so much fun doing that yesterday. I really enjoyed it. I was knackered though, so but anyway, he's pumping up and he's going to take you for a ride probably. You can tell Karl's got the bike down. He's worked out he can do this. Bloody child.
If anyone's wondering how we clean down our e-bike after we've been riding on the beach, it's pretty simple. We give it a, well, we hoist it up, give it a careful light shower off with our shower, and then blow it down with our super compressor. How good is it? Pretty clean, not perfect, but pretty good. And we just need to oil the chain, and we're basically done. Recharge the battery.
And I got my wine.
And Catherine got a wine.
Whoop, whoop.
And it's super fun riding it on the beach. Soon as you turn the electric bit off and try and pedal, but it's not so fun then. You definitely want to have full power electric, and it flies along. We could do on the reasonably hard sand about 27 kilometers an hour, and on the slightly softer sand we do about 20 kilometers an hour. So it is pretty good, even if you really wanted it for transport up and down the beach like we did to the town. Catherine did 8 kilometers, used 3/4 of a battery in the sand, and easy as. And it makes you smile when you ride it. We love it.
Note to self, if there is an apocalypse, we want to live here. So really enjoyed our time here, and now it's time to try and find our way out. We squeezed through this little gap, and yeah, now time to squeeze out. Whoa! Oh yeah. This morning we're heading to Ben Ewer, which is near the wreck. So we're going to snorkel and that sort of thing while we wait for camps to become free, because it's so early. Today's our last day on the island. We leave tomorrow, and we've come out to the wrecks, and it's absolutely bloody freezing. So hopefully we can get out there sometime today and have a snorkel. We've pulled up in one of the wreck camp spots. Certainly wouldn't want to be camping here tonight if the weather stays as it is. What do you reckon about the weather, babe?
I don't like it. Our snorkeling day does not look very promising at the moment.
No.
Hopefully it gets better. We've got the whole day.
Yeah. So we're just gonna hang around here today.
Have breakfast.
And then go back to Ben Ewan when we're finished here. But so far I'm wearing long pants and a jumper. Not looking good. Oh.
Curry jaffles for breakfast. Oh, yum. Almost as good as eggplant. What do you call it? Eggplant muffins. Egg and bacon muffins.
And there's eggplant in that, isn't there?
Yes,
in the
there
curry.
is.
So you are having eggs for breakfast?
Yeah. Well, the weather has again made our life more challenging. I don't think we'll be snorkeling today at the wrecks unless the wind calms down. Because today's the real last day that we can do it. So, we'll see how we go.
We're at the wrecks, and obviously Karl said we're not going to probably be able to go snorkeling, but we did do a little stealthy thing, and we snuck into the resort for a coffee. Oh well. We got in trouble though when I went to buy a sticker, so we won't do that again.
Check out these cute little babies. Don't want to go too close to scare them. Look at them. Oh. It's okay.
Showers, toilets. Oh, it's empty. That's us right there. If it's there when we return. Water.
There's tons of water.
Oh, that's right, you said that. Tonight we're having fajitas. Chicken fajitas. Oh, getting ready. Fajitas! Check out the ranger station. Wow.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell, and remember, we always love a thumbs up. If you'd like to be more involved, check out our Patreon page or our website